Hey everybody, I'm Tanya and I am blooming in place. Hey guys, welcome to the front porch. I am mixing up my seed starter mix. Simple, basic, using some perlite, some topsoil, and some peat moss, equal parts. I'm mixing it up now. I've got some errands to run. I have to go to the store. This is my bucket. It's a nice good sized bucket for mixing, but that way I can put the water in it. And I'm in the city, so I poured a couple gallons of city water into clear jugs yesterday, and I set them out in the sunlight so that the chlorine can evaporate from it, and then I can go ahead and use that. Perlite creates a dust that gets in your lungs and it's not healthy. It is not recommended. In fact, I think in some countries you can't even buy it anymore. But I have it, going to use it, and going to use a safety precaution. Safety first. Open the bag. And the bag won't open. There we go. Dump this in. See that dust? Is that dust? Yeah, that dust is showing on the camera. It's still, even with a mask, it's still going to get right in there. It is a very lightweight, very, very light and fluffy. And have the peat moss. Got my garden dirt here, potting. Got some potting soil here. Put that in there. Just get it open. I do not have my knife with me, so the shovel will have to do. Now once this is wet, a mask is certainly not necessary, but it's the initial airborne. And the reason I use a bucket that is so much bigger, here, let me get you down here so you can see, so much bigger than what I'm dealing with, is that I have room to mix it. And I have room to toss. And then I will add the water and get it heavier. So I'm going to go get the water. I'm going to put this mask back in the garden. And here's the thing. When you're dealing with these masks, the white side is the side that goes on your face. The yellow side goes outside because it's pretty doggone pointless to use a mask and put the dirty side on your face. So, technically, you shouldn't reuse them. But when I'm just reusing them for something like this, I'll reuse them. If I'm walking in a hospital, I won't reuse them. Here I am. See, it's gonna wick. And my porch needs to be painted. It's on my list. I did it a couple years ago, but it didn't hold. So I've added about a gallon of water altogether, and I'm going to let it wick and fill up.